Hi guys, my name is Beth. Happy Friday, and let's continue our technical analysis for Forex swing trading. Okay, let's start with the USD. Let's start with the USD index chart, and here last last several days we have market consistently behaving above the blue moving average line. So that means overall trend is up and market USD is getting strong overall. So I would expect the market a little bit and return into original trend and keep going up. So USD is strong overall. So let's write it down. USD index trend is up, and our decision is to look for opportunities to buy USD. Okay, next pair. Now let's go through each individual pair and let's choose the best pairs to trade. Okay, USD Japan yen. So last several weeks market has been oscillating back and forth of the blue moving average line, right? So that means the overall trend is there's no trend. Market is doing the sideways action, but lately we have the market consistently behaving above the blue moving average line. So let's just wait several more candles to be like this. So at this point we will be certain that USD is getting strong overall Japan yen, right? So just know that trading is all about the probability game. So at this point there could be still sideways actions like this, but more and more candles show up that are above the blue moving average line. We are certain that market is market trend is up and USD is strong over Japan yen. So let's just be safe and let's read it as a sideways, because there's a small possibility of sideways action like this. And if the market continues to go up, and we will look for opportunities to buy USD against Japan yen. So let's write it down. USD Japan yen market is, let's just be safe and read it as Japan yen is doing the sideways action. Okay, USD Canada dollar loonie. So here market is clearly doing the sideways action. So we have market oscillating back and forth like this, back and forth the blue moving average line. Market could go up like this or go down like this. It's most likely to oscillate. So for loonie, the market is clearly doing sideways action. Sideways, no trend, no trade. Okay, USD Schweizer franc. Okay, so here, and also we have market behave down here, up here, and so we have a lot of candles down here. So it's most likely that market is doing this sideways action a little bit, then market shifted into downtrend. So at this point market is likely doing the fake out and return to original downtrend like this. So, or there's a small possibility of this back and forth oscillating action. It could also be possibility. So either way, it doesn't support the story of USD index. So overall, USD is getting stronger, right? So from here, in the USD Schweizer franc chart, either market is doing the sideways or original trend is down. So either way, it doesn't support USD index story, and let's not definitely trade USD Schweizer franc. So here USD Schweizer franc, most likely it's doing the sideways or down fake out, and it's USD Schweizer franc is not a good pair to trade. Okay, next pair, pound USD. So here we had little bit down candles here even though the size of this break is not strong, so definitely more than 10 candles, it could be the beginning of the sideways move. Then we have up movements here, then the down movements happened here, and at this point it was correct to read it could be the beginning of the sideways movement. But here now we have the lot of candles behaving below the blue moving average line. So here at this point we are certain that market is doing the downward movement like this. So here so we are confident that overall the trend is down, and if the market retraces into a good zone, at least Fibonacci 0.618 here, that would be a really good zone to sell pound USD. Okay, so let's write it down. Pound USD, and trend is down. Leg size is nice, and our decision is to wait a good zone to sell pound USD. Okay, Euro USD here, and Euro USD last few days have been a best pair to choose to trade, and because we have consistently market behaving below the blue moving average line. So trend is clearly down, original down movement, retracement, down movement, retracement. The market is likely to go down and hit some Fibonacci extension down here. So if you guys have followed my advice on Euro USD, so we entered a really good zone here, and also for the second bullet we entered a really good zone here, and since then market has returned in the original trend. Everything is working as expected. Now I'm just waiting for the market to retrace, take profit. So it was a perfect execution on the Euro USD on my side, and again the consistency and execution is the key to success. Okay, let's write it down. Euro USD trend is clearly down, which I have read correctly last several weeks, last few weeks. Leg size is nice, and our decision is to keep existing 0.7% position on the Euro USD. Again, it's always important to be ready for all possible outcomes of the future. If let's say tomorrow, trend reversal happens, and what if I hit stop loss? Then it's totally fine. It's all about a probability game. If that happens, I will take a stop loss like a real trader, and I will prepare to buy euro and reversal. And what if stop loss doesn't hit, but if the market keep retracing like this, so at this point it will still read as a fake out, and market will likely to come back to original trend soon like this. So again, it is still a possibility, and I will read it as a fake out, and I will keep my current position. And the one last scenario is that market will continue into original trend direction, and at this point I will take a profit, and it will at the Fibonacci extension down here. So at this point there are three possible ways the market could behave. I anticipate all three of them, and I'm ready for all three of them. Okay, next pair, Aussie. Here at the Aussie, market is clearly doing sideways action. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So here market is doing the sideways. It could go either way, and it's best not to trade. Okay, let's write it down. Aussie, sideways action, no trend, no trade. Okay, lastly, New Zealand dollar USD. So here again we have the more than 10 candles breaking through below the blue moving average line like this. Even the size is not that big, it is still a lot of candles here. Then again, a lot of candles up here, and then a lot of candles down here. So it could be the indication of sideways action like this, and it's best not to trade. So overall dollar is getting stronger, right? For the USD strong trend to show up in the New Zealand dollar USD, market has to consistently below the blue moving average line like this. Then if the market retraces into a good zone like this, then it will be a good time to buy USD. So until that, it is considered still sideways action, and it's best not to trade. New Zealand dollar USD, sideways action. Okay, so what do we see overall? So overall, USD is definitely strong overall, and we entered a really good zone for 2 bullets on Euro USD. Right now, our best decision is to keep the current position on Euro USD, let the profit accumulate until take profit. And also Pound USD now is shifting from the sideways action into clear downtrend, meaning that USD is getting strong against the Great Britain pound. Again, that supports the overall story of USD index chart, and that is even validates our position. So other players are doing the sideways action, that's totally fine, and we can't force a trade. So at this point, the best thing I could do is to wait, let the profit accumulate, and hit take profit. Alright guys, thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you.